Today I'm going to invest £50 in gold, oil, property, government bonds. These are very safe interest-bearing bonds that pay you regular interest paid by governments and worldwide companies. I'm doing this by means of investing in 5 types of investment, all on the Trading 212 platform, and that's a Monday physical gold ETF. That's for the gold, where you actually invest in real gold. Wisdom Tree Brent crude oil, where you follow the price of crude oil. Alternative Income REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, where they have a diversified range of property ownership, where they receive rental income, and this is paid in the form of a dividend. Vanguard Global Aggregate Bond. This is the bond where you are paid by the governments for loaning them money, so it's very secure. And Vanguard FTSE All World ETF, where they invest in companies throughout the world. So, and I'm going to do this on my Trading 212 platform, and I'm going to create a pie where the investments is created equally. So we go to New Pie and add instruments. So the first one we're going to add is, we go to search, and we're going to go for the gold, which is a Monday physical gold ETF, which I previously is in my search. That will come up. There we go. And we're going to add it to the pie. Then we're going to next. No, we'll go back. We're going to add another one, which is Wisdom Tree Brent crude oil, gives us exposure to oil. I have looked at this one already. Wisdom Tree Brent, add to pie. Right. Then we go to next. Go back. No, exit. Hang on. I may have got myself in a bit of a muddle here. We'll just go back. New pie. Build your pie. Add instruments. We have to quickly start again here. We've added the physical gold will be a Monday physical gold, which is quickly go to that. Add to pie. Right, then we'll carry on to the next one. Next, we've got to go to add another one, which is oil, which is Wisdom Tree Brent crude oil. Add to pie. And add another one, which is Alternative Income REIT. And that tells us a bit about here, a bit about the REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Alternative Income REIT aims to generate a sustainable, secure and attractive income return for shareholders from a diverse portfolio of UK property investments. So we've added that to the pie. And we've got to find another one. the next one is Vanguard Global Aggregate Bond, where we get exposure to government lending. We lend money to the governments, so it's a good, safe investment. They're called bonds when you lend to those, and it's the Vanguard Global Aggregate. And we just quickly look at that. The fund allocation, the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is United States Treasury bonds. 22% of the fund is loaned to them. Bundespublic, that's the German government, then Japan government, French government, and the Italian government. And there are more, but we'll add that to the pie. Then move on to the next one, and finally we add a range of companies throughout the world, and we access those from the Vanguard FTSE All World ETF, and they're the top companies that invests in, which is Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, which is Google, and Amazon. And we can see all the companies, and there is numerous see all. There's really is numerous companies, so you're getting worldwide coverage in lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of companies. So we haven't added that yet, so we've got to go back to that. Hang on. So we go to Vanguard FTSE All World, add to pie, right? So we've got that in the pie. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The one I missed off, the alternative income REIT. I forgot to actually add that, so we'll do that now. Add. We discussed that a second ago, but I didn't actually add it. But you can see how easy it is. If you just follow along with me, but talking and doing at the same time. Sometimes I get distracted. Right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 companies, and 10% each, 100%. Right. So we will put in next. Where are we now? Holdings. Right. So we've got the holdings. Oh, we don't want 100% of that. We want 10% of that, don't we? 10%. Right. Or put it equal. Redistribute all slices to 100%. Confirm. Right. Right. So they're all at 100% now. Next. Choose how you'd like to fund your pie. Manually, right? Next. I'm going to put £50 in. 50. Next. And the fund is going to be the 5 investments. 5 investments. And we'll say next. 49.93, and we'll confirm. Your request will be processed after the following markets open. You've got the Euro next in Paris and the London Stock Exchange. So as you say, the markets are closed at the moment because it's a Sunday night, and tomorrow the markets open. So we've got the pies set up. And I've got to set the goal and the balance score, and I'll know more once the markets have opened. So this is holdings. This is what cash at the moment, but we're aiming to go to alternative income REIT, where we're getting exposure to the property market. Amundi Physical Gold, which invests in actual physical gold, so we'll have access to physical gold. The Vanguard FTSE All World ETF, where they invest in many companies throughout the world. The Vanguard Global Aggregate Bond, where we invest or loan money to companies, to governments, which, as I say, governments don't normally default on their payments. That's good and secure. And Wisdom Tree Brent Crude Oil, which tracks the price of oil, crude oil. So that's my 5 investments for the long term. The idea of this is to show you how it is easy to set up a pie using Trading 212 and to have a real diverse range of investments. So you've got the commodities, gold goes up when shares go down. Crude oil is very volatile, so that moves depending on what the political situation is. We've got exposure to many companies throughout the world, and we've got exposure to property, different types of property. So that is my investment. That will go live tomorrow once the market's open. I hope you found this interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.